for the convenience of.
Thiku imwe thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto kurugamia nyongerera ya mishara ya aruti wira ngathi cia iguru thirikari-ini, kamiti ya kuramata mishara ya aruti wira muingi guku bururi-ini SRC NIITETEIRE nyongerera icio.
Chairperson, good morning media.
Kuringana na muikarigiti wa kamiti iyo Lynn Megich, kamiti ira kinyanagira ikereka ria gatatu ria nyongerera ya mishara ria rugamirio miaka 3 mihituku kumana na king'uki kia homa ya COVID-19, no riu maundu maria makuamite ni mahingukite.
Last 2 years there was a freeze of all salary structures in the public service. That was taken into account to manage the wage bill in view of the economic condition.
Ona kuri uguo Megich ni ahithuritie mbeca iria thirikari ihuthagira kuriha mishara ya aruti wira a muingi ni nyingi muno ikiringithanio na mbeca iria turogotaga ta magoti, undu uria ugite ni urabatara guthurimwo weru gitanaitana ndumo.
Compensation for all public officers, we are at the moment, if we take the figures of 2020-2021, is at 998 billion. That is estimated to reach 1 trillion mark in 2021-2022 financial year.
Kuringana na mendekithia ma SRC, aruti wira thirikari marongereirwo gatagati ga gicunje kia 7 harĩ 100 na gicunje gia 10 harĩ 100 kia mishara yao.
These are proposals. SRC looks forward to feedback from stakeholders to inform, review, setting and advising on remuneration and benefit for state officers and other public officers.
Kuringana President Ruto, aruti wira gikiro kiandiki akaru maminister na anini ya undu umwe na atongoria a guthurwo matikuongerwo mishara kwa ihinda riri.
It is not possible that the people at the top earn 100 times more than the people at the bottom. It's not right.
No na kuri uguo Megich ni atariirie maya no mendekithia uga wa muthiore na Kenya kugerera cikaro cia kungania mawoni iria ikwambiriria ica ikuhi.